non-invasive. Here's a syringe. Give me here.
Okay. I'm trying to do this a little slow just to get used to
I
it.
mean, if you're ready to suction or, oh wait, you know what? It's fair enough suction.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to suction, yeah.
Suction.
It's gonna feel different.
Not really good.
No. Oh, darling. Here comes the real big difference. Cough? Nice. Okay. Oh. Here you are. Sorry, could you hand me the tissue box right there?
Is that awesome? She's getting you on video. You're going to get her back one day, I know
Thank
it.
you.
I got your first words.
I need a tissue.
I need a tissue.
Nice.
You know what?
Good
I actually,
strength.
it's better when you get it off.
Yeah,
You spit
that's
it out,
better.
We don't have to suction you.
The natural.